What's up, y'all? My name is Jonathan Davis, and I've been drumming for about 15 years off and on. I've been in a couple of different bands. My current band is Noxious. We are a death, thrash, funk, punk band. Like we cover all bases. I plan on being with these guys for a while, and I can't wait to show you guys what we have in store. I've been playing with the 7AR stick. Hopefully you guys can see. There we go. I like how this version of the stick is longer than the regular 7A. I like the way it feels. I like the way it grips. It's very, very fast, and it's durable. I think that's what everyone really looks forward to in a drumstick, is it being very, very durable and how much of a beating it can take. Not that we just beat the crap out of our sticks. Everyone involved in getting me on board, going through this whole process, has just been amazing. Going through doing the interview, then getting these awesome sticks, and I actually have some signature sticks ordered, so hopefully those come in pretty soon. And having this awesome package put together, it's just been such a very smooth process, very, very professional, and it seems like everybody's out there just wanting to go out all willy-nilly and get somebody, but these guys really want people that are serious about their craft, and I really like that about this brand. Now I'm going to show you a live version from our show that we just did on October 15th, 2022. It is our intro song and our very first song. It's called Infected and Holocaust. We're about to get in the studio here pretty soon. We've got a bunch of songs that we're going to get recorded for you guys, so when all of that gets put out, you guys are going to know. And thank you so much, Collision, for giving me this opportunity to work with you guys and just be able to help build your brand. Enjoy.
This is your fucking song. Let's go.